So welcome back to my channel, guys. Bonjour Mon Petites. It is I, the Fabulous Trees. I'm back with another video. My voice is kind of scratchy right now. You know what I'm saying? I got a little sore throat. No, I ain't got no dead coronavirus, so shut up. But anyways, before we even get into the explanation and things of that, are you subscribed to my channel? Because if you're not, you need to go ahead and hit that button down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And if you already are, hit that notification bell so you know when I drop these videos. Okay, now, we're just gonna go jump right into this. So my hair is dirty, it is messed up, it is dry, it is terrible. The only thing I've done off camera already is bleach my hair. I like my roots dark, so I do not take it all the way up anymore. So I only use a 20 volume developer. I leave it on for like 20 minutes just to get everything light enough so that when the red deposit, it pops. You know what I'm saying? I don't need to get it all super bright, super light. And this is why I like red so much, because it allows me to damage my hair the absolute least. And that's why I like red. So anyway, this is going to be a start to finish how I am beginning. I'm on another healthy hair journey, so I'm getting ready to cut my hair and all that good stuff. I don't know if I'm going to cut it or if I'm going to just trim it. So if y'all know me, then y'all know that I only cut my hair or trim my hair once a year. But last year, I trimmed my hair a significant amount. But I have totally neglected my hair like the last year and change. So I'm going to start another healthy hair journey. I'm going on a growth challenge. I don't know what the actual goal is going to be, but we're going to try and grow this hair out. I don't know where it is right now. I don't know where it's going to be once I cut it, but this is just where we at right now. So I'm going to start this whole thing out with the maximum hydration method. And throughout the video, I guess while I'm doing the voiceover, I'll let you guys in more on the exact process that I'm going to be doing on this growth challenge, I guess. We'll call it a growth challenge. I'm going to be checking in every 3 months as far as the challenge is concerned. If you guys want to join the challenge with me, again, just pay attention throughout the video and I will be explaining the entire process to you. So let's get this shit started. First things first, I'm going to be doing the max hydration method. And I'm going to be starting out, oh, I hope y'all can hear me over me mixing this stuff. So I'm going to be starting out with the Cherry Lola treatment. Now, I have tweaked it for myself because it got baking soda in it and bananas and all kinds of shit that I'm just not into putting into my hair. I do like DIY treatments, but I'm not putting bananas in my hair. If y'all hear my little guy in the background, he's doing his thing, so. And there he is. All right, so I'm just going to kind of sort of section my hair off. Like I said, it is dry, it is matted, it got knots and tangles and all kinds of crap in it because I have totally abandoned my hair for the last like at least since before Valentine's Day. I've abandoned my hair. So today is the 17th of March. I don't know when this video is dropping, but I have abandoned my hair for like the last month. I haven't washed it, I haven't moisturized it, I haven't done anything. Like the only moisture my hair has gotten is a steam from the shower, honey, and it is a mess. And I'm trying to be as nice as possible to my hair because, like I said, I've been a total jackass to my hair, but we're gonna fix all of that today, right now. So I tried to let this sit long enough for it to get to room temperature, but it's still cold, man. But make sure you got on something that you don't care about messing up because this stuff is goopy, and I think maybe like the banana and stuff would make it thicker, but yeah, this is goopy. So I'm just gonna start by putting it on the ends of my hair, and so they can get pliable. So when I start sectioning the rest of it, it can move for me, because right now it ain't going nowhere. This is not going to be a pretty application, girl, at all. So now I'm just gonna go in and finger detangle this section now that it's like totally saturated. There's going to be a lot of shed hair coming out. There's going to be a lot of tangles, a lot of knots. And right now, I just want to go through and finger detangle it and remove whatever I can myself before I get into anything with any tools. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm going to twist up this section and move on to the next, just to let the product sit into my hair. And while I'm detangling, I'm gonna let it sit for like an hour and some change, maybe 2, and then I will be back. Oh, also, I forgot to mention, the way that I tweak this is for it to be like a protein treatment. So there's an egg in here, there's molasses in here, blackstrap molasses. So this is a version of the cherry Lola caramel treatment. So if you look that up, you'll find all of the ingredients. And like I said, I omitted the avocado, but I omitted the stuff that needs to be blended. And of course, once I detangle, I'll come back and show you guys, like, you know, what my hair is looking like. So like I said, right now I'm just getting it onto the hair and letting it work its way into the sections, and then I'm gonna come back through and start the detangling process.
So I know I told you guys I'd be back after I finished detangling and all, but I wanted to show you guys real quick just a small piece of how that process works for me. So first I go through and finger detangle and remove all the shed hairs and anything that can get caught up and snagged up in my comb, because ain't nobody trying to have all that. Then I take my wide tooth comb and comb through the entire section, get it, you know, detangled or whatever. And then I'm going to take my Denman brush and, you know, do like the fine tuning work to make sure that it's all kink free. Yeah.
So I put my hair into 6 twists on each side, and it actually took me about an hour to detangle my hair. It was that jacked up, and I had to make sure that each section was like super saturated with the mixture. So since it took me an hour to do that, I'm going to let it actually sit now under a plastic cap for an hour, and I will be back. So yeah, this is my clean hair, and it is wonderful. I'm so happy about it. And yes, it is still in twist. I can't do the loose hair thing. I just can't. This damn ring light is bright as hell right now. I'm about to put this clay mask in my hair, and it is chunky as hell, y'all. This is my first time doing it, so I don't know if I just mixed it wrong or what, but I'm gonna put this chunky shit in my hair and hope for the best. So I'm just going to apply it in sections, and you're supposed to have like wet hair when you do this, so y'all pray for me because I don't know what I'm doing. But I really wanted to do this because I hear it's supposed to be like super good for your hair and scalp. So we just gonna try it, you know? So some people say it can replace your shampoo. So I did wash my hair, but I've really focused on my scalp. So I'm going to put this mask in my hair and hope that it cleans the rest of my hair. Y'all, this joint is chunky. Look. It's supposed to look like yogurt. Like it does, but it looked like old chunky shit. Let's just go for it. I guess it's working out. I do have my spray bottle next to me in case my hair like feels too dry, or if the mask starts drying, because you're supposed to like I said, from what I hear, you're supposed to keep your hair wet. This is interesting. And like I said, y'all, I have never done this before, so we're trying all new things today, you know? I guess the stuff that's chunky is kind of just like melting into my hair, so I'm not too worried about it. That's one section down.
And like I said, this is part of the max hydration method, and I'm going to be doing that every time I wash my hair. But I think the only difference that I'll be doing when I do this mask is how long I'm going to leave it on. Like if I'm doing this whole start to finish deep treatment type situation, then I am going to leave the mask on for a longer period of time. But like if I'm doing it as part of my normal wash routine, then I'm just probably going to leave it on for like 5 minutes or so. But I'm really hoping that incorporating these new things into my regimen helps me to get my scalp cleaned up and helps me to keep on track with the actual length retention of my hair, because like I told y'all, I've been slacking for real. And like I said, this was my first time doing this Bentonite clay mask, and I've seen a whole bunch of different types of recipes. One where you can do apple cider vinegar, one where you can do aloe vera juice and water, and I think you're supposed to mix water with the apple cider vinegar as well. But I didn't put that in there because the Cherry Lola treatment has apple cider vinegar in it, and I also did an ACV rinse after I washed my hair. So there was no point in me, for me, I didn't feel there was a point to add more apple cider vinegar to my situation. So I just put enough water in the mask to make it creamy. And I think the reason why it came out with the chunks in it was because I didn't do it in a gradual sense. It's like when you put water and flour together, or flour and oil together, you just have to do it a little bit at a time. So I think I kind of rushed it, but either way, it went into my hair really well, really smooth, and came out just fine. So like I'm fast forwarding through this so you guys can just see the application process. But yeah, that's it as far as that's concerned.
All right, so this is my hair with the clay mask in it. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this in for like 15-20 minutes. I'm going to put one of these joints on while it sits, and I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'll come back and do my deep condition. All right, so this is my loose 100% product-free hair after that clay mask. So this is, I ain't never seen my hair look like this before, honestly. Like, you can actually see some kind of curl pattern. So I guess this is what the max hydration method does. I literally have never seen my hair look like this before. I mean, I wouldn't, obviously I wouldn't rock it like this, but yeah, this is what my hair looks like. So I am going to just touch up my red real quick, and hopefully it's still separate. Yes, God, it's still separated. Hallelujah. All right, so where's my hair tie? Because you know it's about to go down. Let me tell y'all something. After that clay mask, my hair legit feels like I used a clarifying shampoo on it, and it is like stripped, honey. So I'm glad that I decided to do things this way, you know, because I've never done it before. So I know that I will always follow that clay mask with a deep conditioner. So for my deep conditioner, I'm using the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask, and I didn't show that full application process because it's kind of redundant at this point. So now I'm just going to sit under the steamer for 20 minutes, and I did it two different ways. So I actually ended up sitting under the steamer for about a total of 40 minutes because first I laid my hair down, and then I'm going to put all my hair on top of my head and sit under the steamer for another 20 minutes. But I think the second round was actually more like 15 minutes. But yeah, you get the point. I had to make sure every part of my hair got steamed. So now we are finally on to the blow drying portion of the program, and I have finally taken a shower and gotten all that crap off of me. My hair is clean, my body clean, everything is good. So for my heat protection, I am using the Tresemme Keratin Smooth line. It's my first time using it, so we'll see how I like it, but it's okay, I guess. Do you guys see the realness of my shrinkage? Like, this is nuts. This is nuts. Anybody who wants to debate my hair type can go kick rocks barefoot, because I ain't got time. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. Like, I know what my hair type is. Like, yeah. I'm going to take this opportunity to actually implore the Main Choice to bring back their heat styling line. They specifically had a heat styling line, and it was fabulous. It worked perfectly for my hair. My press came out amazing. The heat protectant was wonderful. The smell was light and lovely. Courtney, ma'am, Mrs. Adelaide, please, please bring that back. So anyway, as you can see, I'm just combing through, blow drying my hair, trying to get it, you know, as blown out as I possibly can get it. I'm not sure at this point exactly how straight I want my hair to be, but I know that I want the possibility to have it as straight as possible. Okay, so I just finished blowing out one side of my hair, and surprisingly, my ends are not as bad as I expected them to be. They're a mess. Definitely a mess, but nothing like what I actually expected. I mean, I expected some bad stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this side and we're done. So like I said, I'm surprised that my ends are not as bad as I thought they were. So this is all the hair I lost during the entire blow dry process. Hopefully with this strengthening of my hair and scalp and all that jazz, I will be losing less hair. It's 99% shed hair and not broken hair. That's the thing, but I do shed a lot and I don't like it. So yeah, I guess we should just go ahead and get right into the straightening.